Recording.
It's on.
Okay.
Well, good morning. It is Saturday, September 30th. Me and Roger is going on a ride today. And where did you say we were going, Roger?
Gonna go to Adena and down the back road down to Martins Ferry, out past, I think it's County Road 1 or something like that.
Okay.
I rode it the other day in the truck at work, and it seemed like a nice ride. A bunch of bikes were on there. Whoops.
That didn't sound good. What'd you do?
The clutch handle sticks there, and it pops it too soon.
Oh.
Okay.
Yep.
We're gonna head out to 39 and go out through Bloomingdale, Smithfield, Adena that way.
Okay. All right, we're taking off. Put my helmet down. First time me going on our new driveway thing at the bottom. A little chilly today. It's supposed to be warmer later, but right now it's only 66 degrees. It's supposed to get up to 77. So right now we're heading up to East Springfield. Passing the White Bear. The groundhog was on the side of the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was sitting up, licking his fingers. Everybody decorating for the fall. Leaves are starting to change.
That's what I was hoping we get some nice foliage
Yeah.
through here. Give them something to look at, huh?
Right. Oh, Carry Out Express. Old JC Wine Cellars. Mom says she liked to eat there one time in her life, so guess we'll have to go there someday.
I wouldn't mind going once.
Yeah.
They said it's expensive though. Ain't much of a wine drinker, but
So now we're turning on to Route 39 here right out of East Springfield. It's a bad place to pull out. Going past the East Springfield Community Center and the fire department. Well, Grimes. This is only like my second time out this year.
a real bike rider, aren't you?
Yeah. Seen so many craziness this year. I didn't want to go out by myself.
Oh yeah, unless it's $30,000 bike and hardly ride it.
This is only the first year it's been like that. Well, not actually, when crap was happening with your dad and mom. But
should put the GoPro on, shouldn't I?
If you want. This coat is just right. Keeps out the sun or the wind.
Yeah. I can wear my regular glasses and see everything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice when you can see, huh?
Yeah.
I had to shut my Siri off because she's a nosy little thing. And you ride and she keeps butting in. I was like, I ain't dealing with this.
That's it.
Windshield's dirty.
Well, why didn't you clean it?
Well, it didn't look that bad, but now the sun hits it, it's kind of all spotted looking. I don't know what happened. I'm used to looking out dirty windshields, so ain't gonna be no different, right?
I guess. Me too, we can stop somewhere.
I'm fine.
See, the leaves are changing already.
And they're falling already.
Yeah.
It's not even October. I thought they
Tomorrow.
didn't change until October. I know tomorrow's October, but I thought middle of October last time it did change. Good question. I can't remember, but I think. Intersection is 646. Oh, left goes to Richmond, right goes to New Rumley and Jewett and all them areas. And we're going straight. This goes to Unionport.
That was Annapolis.
Yeah, that was Annapolis. This Unionport's having another Fall Fest this year. They've been having it in Wintersville at the Shrines. Is that what that is? Shrines place?
I don't know what it really is, but I know what you're talking about.
It's the bottom of Reed's Mill.
Shriners?
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
I thought they were having that at the Catholic Church in the building across from it.
No,
Right there by Kroger's.
that's not where the Unionport has it. That's something else. Gotta watch for wet leaves since there's some on the road. People putting their grass clippings on the road. You know, I thought that was illegal, but the state does it now too. So what the heck?
Yeah, but the state has a truck with a fan that follows behind.
Oh.
Blows it off. I don't know if you noticed that or not.
No, I did not.
Yeah.